Number 1. 1988 Ford F150, price $9,995. It comes equipped with a 4WD drivetrain and an automatic transmission, making it a capable and comfortable truck for both work and everyday driving. It is powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 engine, known for its very strong torque output and reliable performance. The truck shows approximately 90,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. The four-wheel drive system features a manual 4x4 floor lever along with manual front locking hubs, giving the driver full control in off-road or low-traction conditions. It also includes dual fuel tanks with an electric switch for extended driving range. Inside, the truck is well equipped with power windows and power door locks, a tilt steering wheel, and cruise control, adding to overall driving comfort. Exterior features include factory rally wheels, a white paint finish, a vinyl decklid bed cover, and a rooftop visor that completes its classic late 1980s Ford truck appearance. Number 2. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. Well-maintained pickup powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, showing only 116,000 miles. The truck features a brand new two-tone paint job that gives it a clean and eye-catching appearance. It comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, and cruise control for added comfort and convenience. Inside, an Alpine CD player enhances the driving experience. The exterior has been tastefully upgraded with a roll pan, a new cowl hood, a new chrome grille, and 454 SS chrome wheels wrapped in new white lettered tires. Visibility and lighting have been improved with new clear headlights, LED corner lights, LED headlight bulbs, and new tail lights. The bed is protected by a genuine GM bed liner, making this Sierra both stylish and practical. Number 3. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. Clean and well cared for pickup showing only 99,000 original miles and holding a clean title. The truck is equipped with a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with a 2WD drivetrain, and it runs and drives very smoothly with no known issues. All mechanical and electrical components are functioning properly, making it a reliable and ready-to-use vehicle. The exterior features a red paint finish that still presents well and gives the truck a classic, eye-catching look. An additional gas tank is installed inside the canopy, offering extended fuel range that is ideal for longer trips or work use. Originally from Texas, this Chevrolet has benefited from a favorable climate and is now registered with a Washington title, reflecting its overall well-maintained condition. Number 4. 1997 Ford F150, price $7,200, with only 78,000 original low miles. It is an automatic, fully loaded model that has been garage-kept and owned in South Florida, ensuring a completely rust-free body. The truck comes with a clean original Florida title and a clean Carfax report, and it even includes both original sets of keys. All fluids have been flushed and replaced, and the vehicle has been fully serviced and thoroughly inspected from top to bottom. It remains in excellent overall condition, with complete service and maintenance records available. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and all power features are fully functional, including power windows, power locks, cruise control, and a tilt steering wheel. Under the hood, it is powered by a reliable 4.2L V6 engine that runs perfectly and delivers smooth, dependable performance. Number 5. 1966 Ford F250, price $6,990. Classic two-door pickup truck finished in a sleek black exterior that gives it a bold and timeless appearance. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual 4-speed stick-shift transmission, offering a true old-school driving experience that classic truck enthusiasts appreciate. The truck shows approximately 89,000 miles and has been well maintained for its age. It comes with a clean title, adding confidence for the next owner. Inside, the truck is equipped with a Bluetooth radio, allowing modern audio convenience while preserving its vintage character. With its manual transmission, solid build, and classic styling, this 1966 F250 stands as a strong example of a dependable and iconic American pickup. Number 6. 1997 GMC Sonoma, price $4,995, rear-wheel drive pickup powered by a reliable 4.3-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 211,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. It runs and drives great, showing strong performance on the road, and remains clean both inside and out. Finished in black paint, the exterior is complemented by a side-step bed, a bed cover, a spray-in bed liner, and a tow hitch, making it practical for daily use or light work. Inside, it features a comfortable gray cloth interior along with a Pioneer CD player and fully functioning gauges. Overall, this GMC Sonoma is a solid and dependable compact truck that has been well maintained and is ready to drive. Number 7. 1995 Toyota T100, price $6,995, well cared for pickup that has remained in the same family and has been driven in the rust-free climate of western North Carolina. It is equipped with a gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance, along with front-wheel drive for everyday usability. The truck has just 102,000 original miles on the odometer, which is low for its year and reflects consistent maintenance over time. Finished in clean white paint, it maintains a classic and honest appearance, and it carries a clean title. A Carfax history report is included to document its ownership, mileage, and service history, offering additional confidence to the next owner. Number 8. 1997 Ford Ranger, price $2,500, dependable and straightforward work truck that is well suited for daily use. It is equipped with a gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, paired with a rear-wheel drive setup. The truck has 179,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. It is finished in green paint and features a straight body with a clean, honest appearance. Recently installed new tires add to its road-ready condition. The vehicle runs and drives well with no known mechanical issues, making it a solid and reliable option for anyone looking for a basic, no-nonsense pickup for work or light hauling. Number 9. 1992 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,900, dependable 2WD pickup powered by the well-known 22RE gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 197,000 miles, a clean title, and a red exterior paint. The truck runs and drives very well, with no rust, no oil leaks, and no engine ticks. The timing chain has been replaced, adding to its overall reliability. All essential features are in good working condition, including the lights, heater, and air conditioning, although there is a small leak present. Cosmetically, the truck has a minor dent on the lower corner of the passenger side rear bed, as shown in the pictures, but it does not affect performance. Overall, this Tacoma is a solid, reliable truck suitable for daily driving or light work. Number 10. 1990 Dodge W250, price $3,500, full-size pickup truck equipped with a four-wheel drive system and powered by a diesel engine. It has accumulated approximately 242,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a red exterior finish. The vehicle holds a clean title and is currently registered as such. The truck runs and drives under its own power, although the engine is currently down one cylinder, which affects overall performance. Despite this mechanical issue, the drivetrain remains functional, and the four-wheel drive system is in working condition. This Dodge W250 may be well suited for a mechanical project, engine repair, or rebuild, and could also serve as a solid base for off-road use or utility purposes.